driving and the Robofinity just blanked out right in the middle of driving. So not sure why. It's cloudy skies, it's about 55 degrees outside, and it is not raining. I'm doing about 60 miles an hour on the freeway and it's completely blanked out. It's been about 30 seconds now that it's been like this and it hasn't recovered. It was working fine for the first 10 minutes. Up, there it is. It finally came back. Doing 60 miles an hour on the freeway. It's 55 degrees outside. It's overcast. It's not raining. Don't know why it does this from time to time. Every couple of days, it just blanks out. Okay, I'm recording again. It blanked out. I am 5 minutes into my drive, but there's also a hissing sound. Can you hear it on the microphone? It's like a hissing sound. I'm gonna unplug it and plug it back in, see if the hissing sound still exists. This is what I have to do to get rid of it. There, I unplugged it. Plugging it back in, and it's rebooting. Let's see if the hissing sound comes back. Okay, so the reboot got rid of the hissing sound and the blanking. Here's another problem with Robofinity. You see how it's like at this slightly upward facing angle? There is a problem with this screw where you loosen it and you try to make it having a perpendicular face, but when it's in this position, it won't lock into this position. If something hits it, like say you go through a car wash and a brush hits it, it'll go knock back into this position. This has some weird, strange notch in the middle of it where it doesn't allow you to lock it into any other angle except this. And the problem with this is that this angle, when you go across here, it's 4 to 6 inches above the hood and it misses anything 20 feet in front of my car because it's angled so high. Okay, so I've loosened it up. I'm gonna put it into the correct angle it needs to be. And then I'm going to tighten it down. I'm gonna tighten it down. There we go. That's as tight as I get it. Tighten it all the way down. It will not tighten anymore. And then look, boom. It locks into this position. And then after you do that, it's able to tighten even more. So for some reason, it won't tighten down in any position except for this notched position. Very poor design.